Welcome back. Welcome back, Jack. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I have a lot of things I've been worried about with China, everything that they're doing. Here's the Bitcoin dominance, real quick. Why I believe the Bitcoin dominance and the fall is over. This right here, we have to stay above 50. If we want to be in a bull market for the Bitcoin dominance, we need to stay above 50. Once this starts happening, we are in trouble. If you notice the big time fall, we came back up, right? What happened? We fell again to test a new low for the week, right? A new low for the week. Lows we haven't seen in a couple of weeks. Pay attention. We are now coming back to another low. If you pay attention to here, we're finding that airplane landing gear, and we're starting to land. This is the Bitcoin dominance, if everyone was wondering. We will be flattening out, and then we'll be coming back up and then testing a newer higher right there, and then we'll be coming back down, and we'll continue to set a new low, a new high low. This will be a new low high, right? So it'll be nice. You'll see on the Bitcoin dominance that we will be rising. We will be shortly going through. Jordan, what's good, brother? You just made me hungry for pizza. Thank you very much. You just ruined my whole day, by the way. All I'm thinking about is brick oven pizza right now, Jordan. I'm thinking about Bertucci's brick oven pizza. I hate you right now. Dude, I'm not kidding. I was taking a little nap, watching a movie. It was a Sunday. I was having a nice fun day, Sunday relaxation. I needed it. The Bitcoin dominance fell to hell. I mean, if you look at this all the way from March 30th, wow. That's crazy. That was scary looking. The ride's over. We were still going up. We're going to be doing fine here. This is excellent. If you notice, we're done. I'm confident that that was the last chance to buy a really cheap Bitcoin, last chance to buy anything cheap in general, Anchor, any of that for that matter. If you pay attention to here, we found a nice little level here, right? On the airplane, we came down, we were falling, and then the pilot, he put his landing gear out for us as we were falling, and then we came back up, and now we are found a little home, a little place to settle, and now we should be able to go back up. What the hell's going on with Dogecoin? I don't know. Dogecoin's trying to break out. It is breaking out. And if you've noticed, Dogecoin is on the run again. I said we may hit some resistance here, right? And funny as hell, right? What did we do? We banged resistance all morning after I said that. If you look, we've gotten some green candles. We broke through a little. Now we could break through. Pay attention to that. It could turn red up. As soon as I said it, it could turn red. It may also break through. Pay attention to the relative strength index chart. That should give you a quick tell. What do we got on the relative strength index chart? Oh, yeah, we got time. We got room to grow. Holy bananas. Dogecoin looks good. If you want to buy some Dogecoin, even on this run, I'll tell you right now, that wouldn't be a surprise move. It wouldn't probably hurt you. You want to wait for some red candles, go for it. You can definitely do that. That wouldn't hurt, right? Wait for a little bit of a fall here. You'll eventually get it. As you see, there's a strip every time as we go up. There'll be a new strip as we continue to break through this new, what is this? This is going to be a resistance right here. Where did we hit resistance the most? Right about... I know our new support once we break through it is here, so this will probably be our next resistant line. Yep, that makes sense. Just doing Dogecoin really quick for everyone to understand. It's going to be somewhere right around here. This price is 34.6. So if you notice, we hit the 34.6 price. That's something to look forward to. If we break through that, that's really something to pay attention to. You'd be excited for Dogecoin. Break through the 34.6. That would be pretty cool. Is it pamping today? Is it ramping today? What are you saying, Rand? Do another quick trading view right now, getting it up on the charts. As I do. Like I said, I think that was Bitcoin's last chance to buy it for cheap. That was definitely the last chance. I'm confident in that. If you break it down, it's when in doubt, zoom out, right? I looked at my wow, it's getting some lag. Just look at it. It looks really good. It's leveling out and it's ready to come through on this. If you pay attention, we could be forming a nice W. We had the M breakouts. If you notice, M breakout. I mean, it doesn't get any worse, right? So what happens? You get a rejected, something here, another M. Another M. Look, another M forming, right? You would think, and that would get us to the 47K. That's what was my video this morning. If you notice on my video this morning, someone told me, Jordan told me he wasn't really seeing my videos today. What the hell's going on with that? I'm not sure. These are my videos. You guys are not seeing these videos today? Can someone tell me, Jordan, you don't see these videos. When you click on me as we're growing right here, this is beautiful, awesome. Right there, 64 subscribers. Thank you, everyone. We're doing great. Do you not see this? This has only got 40 views. This is terrible. Why BTC mining is important. It got 40 views, 10 views an hour. That's terrible. Please watch this. This is so important. China is running us through the hole. The volume is starting to do something. It's really upsetting. I'll do it now, I guess, so it's so important. I just want to show you. If you pay attention to I'm trying to find the charts. Of course, I can't find it, right? I'll find it. This is why people set up right ahead of time, right? You should. But what I'm worrying about here is with the Bitcoins going on is the charts are showing that they are leading. China is whooping our heinies. Do you understand me? China is whooping our heinies. It's not even close to how much they are mining. And that's what's scaring me because China's doing so well. It's a big problem. News about China leading the mining. What happens when China decides? What happens when China decides they're going to short Bitcoin, right? Look, Bitcoin mining hinder China's carbon neutrality goal. Basically, they're saying that there's some type of carbon that comes off emissions and it's going to pollute, which is another crazy topic for another day. This is my issue. My issue is what are we going to do? What are we going to do when China decides to stop all the mining and they pretend? What happens when all the power goes out in general and Bitcoin goes down to shit? I didn't realize about that. You need to have some gold. You need to have some silver. I was just thinking about that. My buddy has gold and silver. He has actual physical presence of gold and silver. I'm starting to realize he's a genius. You know who his name is? Mr. Fixit. Can we zoom Mr. Fixit on? I got to give Mr. Fixit a call. You know what? Let's see if he picks up the phone real quick and we'll tell him he's live. Let's see. We'll get him. Maybe we'll get him to come on and Zoom, and we'll have to do a Zoom later. I don't know if I'm going to try and do a video later. Hopefully, he doesn't pick up and start cursing me out live. Maybe he's watching. Who the hell knows? I just wanted to see how much. I want to see what he says. Hopefully, he picks up. Let's see. Mr. Fixit. What happens when the power goes out? What are we going to do? What happens when China's power goes out and they're the leading? Our hash rate went down 40% on mining for the Bitcoin because of China's. He doesn't pick up. He's like the busiest man in the world. I never met anybody busier than him. Oh boy. Anyways, so this is what we're talking about. China is running us. China is running the world on Bitcoin hash rate. It's scaring the living dick out of me. There's nothing we could do. Now, I don't suspect that we're going to get another M. That was just to scare everybody. It was just a joke. I do expect a half a W that's forming. I do expect something like this. Why? Because it showed me that the Bitcoin dominance is now in a great place. What is happening here? If I look here, my resistance line right here, if you see, is falling. My resistance line is definitely falling. I see it here. My buying power is going to shoot up eventually with my support line already on the purple up top. So the blue line down here, that blue buying power on my DMI, this is the DMI, Directional Movement Index. But anyways, like I said, this is going to fall, then that's going to come up, and we should be golden. It's the same thing with ANKR, right? We'll go over ANKR now. ANKR was holding that 16.5 price. We were all miserable about it. If you don't right-click, you'll keep doing drawings. Right-click, get it off. You can pull it, go back to your thing. It's the same thing. See how my buying power on the blue line is buying up? See that? If you look at the 15-minute mark, look at this shenanigans. My buying power is flying through the roof, and my resistance is falling down with my support purple line coming up. We are now going up. If you wanted to buy ANKR right now, I would tell you to buy it. I'm sorry. I'm busy chugging up water, as usual, right? So we got to pay attention to, right? It's telling us we're falling here on a red candle. If you see and you look closely, ANKR's got a red candle. We had a nice big long green wick come up, looking pretty good. Well, that's okay. We face some resistance up here. As you noticed, there has to be something along here that's stopping us. Something along here is giving us some type of resistance, which is fine, right? We already know that's okay. Tiki, please stop rubbing my hand. I'm trying to do something. Tiki keeps trying to palm me. So 16.8. 16.8 is a pretty good number here for the resistance. Once we break through this, we will know we were heading back up into a nice form. Pay attention to this. Like I said, this could be your upward W right here and out. We could be, if we hit resistance, we'll go sideways a little longer. I just bought more. It's hilarious. I've been stacking precious metals and food a very long time before getting crypto bags. Yeah, you'd be smart if you took some gold and silver physical presence. You'd be really smart to do that. Why? Because what's going to happen is, what if the power goes out? What if China's power goes out? What the hell are we going to do? We depend on China. We depend on China? Oh, my God. I got to find it. I'm losing my mind right now. I saw it, and now it doesn't want to show me the chart. I'm so annoyed. There was a big chart. It was so important. I don't know why I can't find it. I guess because, it's one of those days. The Wu blockchain. I ain't talking about the Wu-Tang blockchain. We're talking about the pool. We're talking about the mining pools. You can check all this up real time. BTC.com tells you. It's pretty cool, actually. Pools hash rate rank. And what's the 24-hour change? It's pretty cool. Seriously, you can take a peek of this. The hash rate of Bitcoin's mining pools plummeted in 24 hours, and pools fell by 24.5%. BTC.com fell 18.9%. The reason is that Northwest China is undergoing a complete blackout for safety inspections. See what happened? Bull, you know what? Did you read what it said? For safety inspections. Safety inspections. Yeah, okay. And the coronavirus, right? It was from a bat. It was from a bat. Yeah, okay. Okay, and I'm a bunny. Yeah, I'm a bunny. You like me, guys? Oh my God, this world is pissing me off. Ladies and gentlemen, get your head out of your ass and start paying attention. China just decided to make a lot of money, obviously, today. And what did they do? They purposely shut off the mining so they could sell their Bitcoin and then buy back and fuck the world. Okay? Yeah, I know. My conspiracies are crazy. Guess what? China has a new loophole. China now knows. Did you know that China was jealous that we had our own coin and that we were doing this, and China found a way now to manipulate it and beat us to everything else like China does? Follow what China's doing. You want to be successful? Follow the successful people. Guess what? Don't be hating on China. China is minor, and I want to do what they do. I may move to China. I'm sick of this. I can't take no more. China is ruining it. It's doing better. Why does China always succeed? Why does China have a stimulus package of $550 million and we have a $1 million stimulus package? Can I ask that question real quick before we go back to the charts? Did you ever know that? Why China has 850 million or 550 million, and they have 1.3 billion people, and we have America, U.S. has 375 million, 1/3, 25% less than us, and they need how much more money less than us? Something's wrong. We're doing something wrong. There's something wrong with us. It's stressful. It's stressful. Pay attention. We're going back up soon. This is going to be a wonderful ride. If no one's noticing, I just took all these drawings away really quick on the anchor, and I went to the hourly instead of the 15. Don't you notice we've had some action? We've had some action here. Don't you see it? There's some nice action going here. Look at this action. We're going to form a upward W. And I don't know how far we're going to go, but something tells me we're going to hit the resistance line up here at 18.3 again. Yeah, that would be sweet. Somewhere right here, I believe we're going to hit. This is where we're going to hit. We're going to stop 18.2. So I've been on point with all of my technical analysis. It's funny how the W almost grew all the way up here. I almost got it. We're going to face something similar to that move exactly. When? I'm not sure. We may receive a little down movement first, but I don't believe it because look at my DMI on the bottom here. My DMI is telling me that the blue power is rising. What happens if I do that with my Bitcoin? It'll do the same thing, hopefully. No. See, it's not the same thing. If you pay attention on the 15, though, we are now crossing. See on the hourly we're not crossing. It's showing you on the 15-minute we're crossing the diamond. We're going to get some type of movement, hopefully up. If not, we'll continue to go sideways action, but Anchor should get some reaping benefits from it. So pay attention to this move. I would definitely have bought more Anchor. Good job, Jordan. This was just a very quick 15-minute video that I wanted to do. I'm going to start doing quick 15-minute videos. What's the next move? What should we do, right? These are very important. And if you look down here, as we're about to conclude this video, because this was a very good informative video, I want to be quick and done with it. If you look, that will be the resistance. This will be somewhere on your support level. Pay attention to these prices. These prices are very important. They may save your ass as far as dollar cost averaging out. I already taught everyone what dollar cost averaging out is. This will be our support price. This will be our resistance where we will have trouble in this area. Expect to spend some time in this box if you follow. Expect to see some heartbeat action through here for a while before we eventually go back up or down, depending on what China decides to do. We are now in China's mercy. If China decides that they want to do an inspection and check the power, we'll be going down again. Wall Street, Pete Sicto, and crypto. Nobody keeps it real. Nobody is the person I am. Let's go to the moon, Alice. Wall Street, P, Sicto, crypto. Hit that like and subscribe. Share it. We're doing quicker videos. We're going to start doing 15-minute interval videos, 10 minutes, educational videos. I will see you all in about 5 hours on our new daily candle. Let's see what Anchor and Bitcoin's going to do and why Chainlink is going to be my new home run hitter. You want to stay tuned for 8 o'clock in 5 hours, 4.5 hours, and see why I am so bent over hell over Chainlink. You won't want to miss it. Have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday and stop being stressed. Let's go. Wall Street Pete says so. Sicto in crypto.